I said I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to touch my hair. I'm gonna do it. I really just need my hair to be a couple of shades lighter. I'm trying to get to a good Catwoman blonde, Michelle Pfeiffer blonde. So if you've been with me on this channel for a while, you know this is my standard go-to bleaching procedure of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Makes a natural bleach that doesn't have the smell for people that are really sensitive to chemicals. It is pretty dang effective. Maybe not quite as much as bleach, but it's definitely comparable. I did use a higher percentage of peroxide before that worked even better. Accidentally made that much too liquidy. I'm gonna throw in some more baking soda. I think I'll need more anyways. So I have prepped my hair by shampooing it and rinsing with apple cider vinegar, which will get rid of product, pollution, or mineral buildup in the hair. So I really want this to be like this gooey, thick paste type of consistency. And then I also did heat dry my hair. This will open up the follicles, allow the bleaching agent to soak better into the follicle of the hair. I think I'm gonna leave it in for 15 minutes and see how that goes. But first, we'll finish off this mixture by adding in conditioner. This is another way I've found that helps it. The bleach will not be as effective. It makes the consistency easier to work with. And I'm okay with it not being as effective, because I just want to go that couple of shades lighter with as least damage as possible. I'm going to section my hair into a half up and then take that top half and split that one in half. Now I have these pretty easy sections to work with, and I will show you how I'm going to bleach each section, and then we'll just cut to the good stuff. Since this is just the first part in this transformation and we still have a makeup tutorial to do for you guys, it's all pretty easy and straightforward, but can be time consuming. So I also use my plastic wrap. You can use a plastic bag or a shower cap. I think would be the most sustainable, reusable things to do. For some reason I haven't gotten one yet, since you would be able to wash and reuse it. So what we're gonna do is take each section at a time. I'm gonna brush on in the middle. You really wanna make sure you saturate the hair fully, just like you would with bleach. Do recommend putting a towel down because this does get pretty dang messy. I'm gonna work my way down through the ends. Only massaging it into the hair to make sure I get all of the hairs fully covered to reduce splotchiness. And what I'm gonna do is kind of work it up towards the roots a little bit, but I'm actually not going to go all the way up to my roots. One, I don't want to get hot roots. Two, this is a natural blonde look that we're striving for here. It's okay to have a little bit of darkness and some natural roots. And this would also be a really great option for people with sensitive skin, since it's not quite as harsh. All right, we have full saturation there. And now I will see you when it is all fully saturated. I'm just gonna take what little bits I have left and run it over Make sure nothing dried out too much. The whole point is to keep moisture in. I'm gonna flip it up on my head. As you can see, this is a very messy process. You'll get little drips and then they'll dry out pretty quickly, leaving you with just like a bunch of baking soda everywhere. Meow.